Six reasons to choose Agile project management over traditional project management. Project management has become an essential part of our fast-paced world. From small and medium to large scale, every business size depends on project management to successfully deliver their products and service. In recent times, there are multiple project management approaches available all around the world, while Agile being one of the most popular project management approaches among all. Even 71% of companies agreed on using Agile practices often, sometimes, and always. In this video we will highlight what is traditional and Agile project management, their differences, and in the end we will learn which approach is best for you. If you like the video, we request you to like and subscribe to the Agile Mania YouTube channel, to encourage us to provide more valuable information on Agile and Scrum. Agile Mania is a team of passionate professionals with years of experience focused on consulting organizations in transforming businesses with digital and Agile. We play a key role in accelerating your digitization journey and help you navigate to a highly functioning Agile culture. So, without further ado, let's begin with discussing what is traditional project management. In the Agile world, the traditional project management approach is often known as the waterfall approach. In the traditional method, all the project phases are completed in sequential order. This rigid, top-down approach contains some fixed stages such as plan, design, build, testing, user acceptance, deployment, release, etc. Unlike Agile, traditional project management plans everything beforehand and not empirically. You can't use traditional project management to develop complex products, as this approach leaves no room for changing the requirements. Now let's jump into discussing what is Agile project management. In today's fast-paced world, it's impossible to plan out everything traditionally. With traditional plans, you'll always have the risk of delayed product delivery. Eventually, you'll become uncompetitive on the market. It is where the concept of Agile comes into the picture. Although introduced in 1986 by Hirotaka Takeuchi and Ikujiro Nanaka through paper, they published New Product Development Game, and followed by Agile Manifesto in 2001. It gained popularity post-financial crisis in 2008 to 2009 and is still a new approach for many organizations. The term Agile represents mobility and nimbleness. It reflects the ability to move forward quickly that allows you to make easy changes in the direction. Unlike traditional, Agile project management is non-linear in nature, and it relies on teamwork, flexibility, and collaboration. In Agile project management, projects are time-boxed in short iterations. It doesn't follow a plan blindly and responses to changes quickly. Scrum, Kanban, Less, Safe, and Scrumban are great examples of popular Agile project management methods for preventing time consumption, increasing customer satisfaction, and encouraging decision-making at every product development step. Initially, Agile project management was considered for the software development industry and, in recent times, successfully implemented in other sectors like architecture, financial services, marketing, etc. There are significant differences between traditional and Agile project management methodology. Let's take a quick glance at them. We will discuss the differences in terms of flexibility, transparency, scope for feedback, project complexity, customer satisfaction, and ownership and accountability. Flexibility. Agile project management methodology is much more flexible than the traditional approach. While working, if your team members feel that they need to make changes in their product or their working process, Agile project management allows them to do so. Agile project management doesn't believe in following a rigid structure, they primarily focus on the product. And because of this flexibility, people prefer the Agile project management approach more. On the other hand, traditional or waterfall project management follows a top-down approach. That means you can't manage any last-minute changes without affecting the work process or results. Transparency. In Agile project management, every decision and plan is transparent. The product owner, team members, clients, everyone is involved in making decisions and changes. From planning, reviewing, and testing a product, Agile methodology, the team members can thoroughly view the work progress and make informed decisions. On the contrary, in the traditional project management approach, the project manager gets to make all the big decisions or with few senior members. Other team members can't see the progress from start to end in the form of deliverables. Often work is done in silos, so transparency gets lost for other silos. Scope for feedback. If you use the traditional methodology for developing or building a new product, you have to plan everything from the beginning. You have to complete every task within a pre-planned time and budget criteria. That means you can't allow any significant changes based on feedback that might delay the product delivery. However, with the Agile approach, you can accept constant feedback from the product owner and customers. Continuous feedback will help you to bring better results and deliver high-quality products within the deadline. For this reason, developers and project managers prefer using Agile project management to the traditional approach. 4. Project complexity. Agile project management is the perfect fit for all complex tasks. If your project stages are dependent on other stages or have interconnected phases, then the Agile approach is the best choice to make work transparent to reduce complexity. Frequent inspections and adaptations help in reducing complexity and requirement ambiguity. While traditional project management methodology follows a linear approach, it can't manage complex projects where requirements are ambiguous and work is complex. As we've mentioned earlier, you can't make sudden changes to this approach. Traditional is a better fit for less complex or small projects. Customer satisfaction. Customers play a vital role in the Agile framework. It focuses more on meeting customer expectations by accepting their feedback after each iteration. In Agile, work is delivered constantly to the end customers. Thus, they can provide their valuable thoughts and encourage the Agile team to act on the feedback effectively. As Agile project management values customer feedback, the team understands the customer's specifications and provides them with high-quality products and desired services. It helps to maintain customer engagement and enhance satisfaction. 6. Ownership and accountability. In traditional project management, only the project manager holds ownership of the entire project. Yes, you can involve the customers in the planning stage, but their role ends as soon as you start executing the plan. On the other hand, ownership and accountability are another reason developers and managers prefer Agile project management over the traditional approach. In Agile, each member of the team holds ownership and accountability for the project. Everyone in the Agile team plays an equally important role in finishing a project within the delivery time. Now, after all this discussion, you must be thinking which project management methodology is right for your organization? The tussle between traditional and Agile project management evokes a common question in our minds: which method should I choose for the organization? Well, there are multiple factors involved in judging the performance of these two approaches in an organization. For instance, if your organization is hesitant to allow the team members to decide or believe in traditional methods, Agile might not be the best fit. However, modern businesses and software development teams prefer using Agile methodology more. Because with Agile project management methodology, you'll get much more rewarding results than the traditional approach. Agile success rates are 1.5x higher than the waterfall approach as per various surveys. With Agile, you can expect high-quality output, better customer satisfaction, more productivity, fewer costs, and time optimization. So, Agile methodology is the best choice for organizations to thrive in this changing market. Both Agile and traditional project management methodology have their benefits and drawbacks. The framework best for your organization will depend on your project size, budget, resources, organizational processes, and timeline. When you pick the proper project management framework before starting your project, you ensure success right from the beginning. We hope that this video provided you with a clear understanding of the difference between traditional and Agile project management, and now you can decide which approach is better for your organization.